Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm using La Reina Azteca. I was gonna do this color green, but I was like, I want a little more. Let me show you the inside. Look at those colors. So I did use one from here, which is the purpley color here underneath the eyes. Everything else I used from here. Also used the Profusion liner in this neon orange. Hopefully it's coming out clear because it looks a little like Wanda, thank you so much for the palette. This is the look that I came up with. I need to work on I don't know if my hand is like, but I need to work on that. Other than that, I love how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think, and if you want to see how I did this look, then just keep on watching.
Okay, so Revolution, I think this is the lightest shade they have. I put it on the lid because I'm looking for that pop of color. And I feel like these lighter concealers are it. I was looking for the Jumbo White Pencil, but I feel like it's drying up. So it's making it harder to just, spread. So I'm going to go in with the sponge just to smooth it out so there isn't like any, patchiness to it on both sides. And then I'm not going to set it. I'm going to go right into the color with it just like that. Okay, so this is the palette. Yes, I love it. I'm going to go in with this. It's like a lime yellow. I mean, not a lime yellow, a lime green color. It's this one here. And I'm going to put that in the inner corner, tapping. The Cara Beauty, I feel like they don't really have fallout, but this one, as you can see while I'm tapping, there is some puff going up. Like you can see some of the powder going up. And once I tap, I'm going to, just spread it so that it doesn't have like that weird line. So I'm going to tap, and as you can see, there is fallout. Not fallout, but like puffiness. So this is the color, and I didn't have to really build it up. As you can see, beautiful. I'm going in with that melon color. I've been loving melon. I'm going to put that towards the center. And I love how in the kind of like the between the lime green and the yellow, it has like a beautiful, I don't know what kind of color it is, but it just has a beautiful like transition color. And then the melon color on its own, so beautiful. It isn't like orange, it's like a nice melon color. So I'm going to put that in the center. And then I don't know what I want to do towards the end. I don't think I'm going to do blue. I think I want something a little stronger. But I'm going to just do this tapping motion and then rubbing it in just so that there isn't like that line of separation. And I'm doing a lot of repetitive, going in with the green, going in with the orange. But as you can see, it's beautiful. I'm going to take this color here. It's like a purpley blue, almost black, right on the end, just to like, I feel like I've been doing a lot of lime green or yellow or orange or pink. So I wanted to do something a little bit darker and a little bit different. I'm going to put that in the outer corner really, really softly, because this one I did find to be a little bit patchy, but I kind of feel like with a lot of darker colors that aren't black, they tend to be a little patchy. So I'm going to go over it and then try to, blend it out and go over it and try to blend it out. A lot of tapping, because this is one of the colors that I don't want fallout with. So yeah. And I do like how that looks. I think it looks really nice. Very tropical, but still smoked out kind of. If you know what I'm trying to say. Going back in with the orange, then I'll be going back in with the green. And yeah, blend. That's pretty much the key. I think I should have put tape down, but I wasn't thinking about that. just to give it like a nice sharp edge. But I feel like it still came out pretty nice, pretty sharp. I just wanted it like a, you know, sharp. So when I put my wing, it looks nice and even. But it's fine. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the white jumbo pencil. I'm going to run it on the bottom, really close to the lash line and probably a little bit in the lash line, because I want this color to pop on the bottom just to like pull everything together. I'm going to take this purpley color, which is from that Sea Colors palette, the Jungle Fever palette. I'm going to tap it right on the bottom. You want to be a little careful here because sometimes these shades, when they go in your eye, they irritate your eyes, and that causes my eyes to water, but you know, it was fine. It wasn't too bad. And I think it looks nice, just the, you know, purple on the bottom versus the softer colors on top, except for that darker color, of course. But I love how it looks. It's coming along so beautifully. I'm going to put the black liner, tight line, waterline, just the top because I don't want the bottom to get messed up. And I did a wing liner with my favorite LA Girls liner. I'm going to go in with mascara, clean everything up. I already contoured, did the blush. Same routine because I haven't switched up that part. I'm going to go in with this orange color, which is from Profusion. And this is a little scary because I feel like I've been messing up my looks with when I go to put the liner on. Like, it doesn't come out nice and clean because I don't know if my hands are shaking or what, but I try to be as steady as possible. And as you can see, it started getting like thicker on one end, then I had to go back to the other. This one already was thick. The first one I feel like came out fine, but here we go. And then I want to just give it a little curve so it looks like a cut crease kind of. That's it. I'm not going to mess with it anymore because I feel like I'm going to mess it up. But that's how it looks. Really, really nice. I feel like it gave it something that it needed. Maybe a little glitter would have been nice, but we're going to go with this. Let me do my hair. So I did my hair, changed my clothes, and I'm going to go in again with a nice nude liner. This is from Nicole Miller. It's from TJ Maxx. I'm going to fill it in. And I'm kind of thinking it's a little more pinky than orangey. But I'm going to go in with the gloss. This is from NYX. Soften that up a little. And I think that's pretty much it because this look is done. So let me know what you guys think. If you're new here and you still to the end, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. Join the family. Everybody else, thank you so much for coming back. And I will see you in the next video, which should be a haul. Bye, guys.